Before we get this video started, I just want to say thank you to our patrons.
Yes, because you guys are awesome and thank you so much for your support.
All right, let's get the video started.
Yeah?
Sure.
Sure.
Well, hello everyone. Today is travel day. We are leaving Michigan, sadly. Like this is, I think we got into Michigan in June. This is now mid-August. Like we have definitely enjoyed our time up here in Michigan, going up the East Coast, going into the UP, coming down the West Coast, and just exploring, you know, everything that really Michigan has to offer. And we still have so much more to look at. Like there's no way you can do it all in one trip unless you just spend months up here. So it is such a beautiful, beautiful place. Today we leave Michigan. We're going to the Elkhart area. We're actually going to be dropping the rig off at Grand Design, getting them to fix a few little things with the side patio. Nothing major, just making sure that everything's good there. And then we have about 2 weeks after that, and then it's the National Rally. So we're preparing for that. If you don't know yet, we're actually speaking at the National Rally, and we're super excited to be doing that. So we got a lot going on, a lot to catch you guys up on, and a long ways to go today. So let's get rolling. Just made it to Elkhart, and now we are standing in front, well, we parked right beside the La Quinta. We're staying in La Quinta because they are pet friendly. I know it's not the nicest hotel, but you kind of have limited options when you have 3 dogs. So that's just it. Anyways, we're getting our stuff out. We came here first, since before we dropped the rig off, because we wanted to just be able to like take what we needed right up to the room instead of having to pack the truck and then unpack and do that. So we're gonna take it right up to the room, and then Cindy and I are gonna take the rig over to Grand Design and park it there. Can't forget the Keurig K-Cups.
Can we take some of the food?
What?
I said, do you want me to get the big bag down to take food?
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
Sure.
4 people and 3 dogs. It's like moving in to stay at a hotel for a week. Like this is not even worth it. Hi, Doodles.
Oh, we forgot the bed.
I can get it later. We shut the door so they can explore.
Thank you.
Beezy, where you going? Where you going?
This is home for the next 5 days. Yay. But the rig will be worked on, it'll be fixed, we'll be good. We'll be heading to 1,000 Trails. It's actually right back over the Michigan border. And then we go to the National Rally. Back at Grand Design.
Yes.
We had to drop the rig, but they've changed things, so we have to come back, grab it in the morning, and take it to the new customer service building.
The new customer service building doesn't have campsites yet for you to live in. And I guess we could just leave it in the parking lot, but I wouldn't want to do that.
Yeah, but here we can stay plugged in tonight,
Right.
charge the batteries up, make sure it's good to go.
Because our batteries are going to be great while it's getting worked on.
Yes, thank you again, Battleborn.
Because we can leave it and not have to worry about our refrigerator
Right.
and all the stuff in it. Last time, I don't know if y'all remember, Harold can link the video of last time we left it. I had to clean out the entire refrigerator before we could leave and take as much stuff with us as we could. So
Not this time.
This time our batteries are good.
Oh, also, come here. I want to show you something that somebody just commented on a video and taught me something. So somebody just watched our video of the new Bluetooth locks. To unlock it, you obviously put your code in. But to lock it, just hit the 7/8 and the BP. And it locks. I just learned that.
Thank you to whoever left that comment.
The person that left us the comment of how to lock this, like a shortcut to lock it, thank you for the comment.
Thank you for teaching us something.
Yes. Is it a little easier to leave it this time?
No.
Well, you're not crying this time because
I'm not leaving at 6 a.m. I might be crying tomorrow morning.
It's also just for a couple of days.
Well, yes, last time I was a little overwhelmed trying to pack up everything and get out with the kids and the dogs. This time
it was a little easy because we went to the
hotel first. Yeah, so it made it a little bit easier, a little bit less of a process.
Yep.
I cry when I get overwhelmed and my anxiety goes.
Let's go get some dinner.
Yes, so I don't become hungry.
We can bring that anxiety.
So I don't get hangry.
Yes. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. We're at the new Grand Design Customer Service building, getting ready to drop off the mow. I know, but we feel good about it. Like, this is a nice place. Like, it's a really nice place.
I'm not gonna say I feel good about dropping off my rig.
I'm okay.
However, last time we dropped it off, they were rushing because of the rally,
Yeah.
so that we didn't have time to ask them to like look at anything else. This time they said they'll give like the electricity a check. They're gonna check on
Like a courtesy check.
Yeah, and they're gonna check a couple different other things for us while it's here. So I do feel good about that.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
And so we're homeless again until Thursday, and then hopefully they're done and we can come get it and we can move on to the park. There's a little paint blemish on the side that they're taking care of, but they said they're gonna check the bolts around and everything else, so
all the other stuff.
It should be good.
Because we are, bolts come loose. So,
This building's really nice.
You're so distracted by shiny objects.
I love architecture. It's really nice.
Shiny objects.
Grand design, good job.
If this architecture was 20 years old, you'd be like, oh, it's just a building.
Yeah,
it's
that's
because
true.
it's new.
That's all right.
It still smells new inside. So
It does.
he likes shiny objects.
All right, let's get going. Unhook.
I want to leave my baby.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Now there's a train going by. Anyways,
Hold that thought.
today we are at Mor-Ryde.
Yes, we've been reaching out to Mor-Ryde over the last few months, and we were in the area, and they said, "Come on by."
Yeah, so I'm not sure what to expect today. Whether we are meeting with staff or doing a tour.
Just doing a tour.
I have no idea. But we're pretty excited to be here, of course.
We have no expectations other than to take you guys along with us and see where the conversation goes.
Yeah. So, Mor-Ryde offers a ton of amazing products for RVs and RVers. And so, if we have the opportunity to work with Mor-Ryde, that would be fantastic. We, very much respect this company and what they do for the RV community. But, if not, then, that's fine too. But we are here, and
I'm just hoping that we get a how it's made tour in real life.
Would love to check it out.
That's my goal, is to actually see something being made, because I'm fascinated by that type of stuff.
Mm-hmm. Like we did with Battleborn.
Yeah,
walking through.
Yep, Battleborn.
That'd be pretty cool. So we're just gonna go in and let's see where this goes.
Yeah, let's go.
Up the part. It takes it over, it takes a picture of it where that red thing is, just to make sure it's what it's supposed to be. Then it puts it on a table and hands it off to the next robot.
think?
About the tour?
Yeah, what'd you think about the tour?
I think the tour was great. They have lots of products I didn't even know that they had
Right.
Throughout that little room. And I really loved the technology behind the laser
robots?
cutter and the robots and everything. And he said that most people worry about the robots taking over someone else's job, but the person that would normally be doing that job
They repurpose.
go and get trained on how to program the robots.
Right.
So that person actually doesn't lose their job. They're just in a different role.
Right.
So it's
Which
pretty
is
neat.
pretty awesome. And their demand is obviously outweighing the supply, and they're super busy. They're
Yeah.
pretty tight-knit shop, and it's really cool, like some of the things that they're working on.
And they have different campuses for different areas. So this is the RV side where they do the independent suspension and the stairs and things like that. But there's a whole other array of buildings, which is
That
amazing.
independent suspension looks so good. Man, it looks beefy.
I want to get a custom plate for our stairs.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Let's see if they can do that for us.
But we're gonna go head to lunch, and then we're coming back because the tour took a little longer than we thought. So we're gonna be meeting with MORryde again after lunch. So we will keep you posted. All right, so we're back from MORryde. We had a fantastic time touring the facility and getting to talk with those guys. So first of all, MORryde, thank you so much. Jack, we really appreciate the tour
and your time.
and the time that you took with us. So we really appreciate that.
Now, we did get to find out that MORryde has tons of things in process. And
even stuff outside of RVs.
yeah, because originally they started off with like the frames and stuff, or the axles and stuff.
They even do buses, like school buses.
Yep.
So it's pretty cool.
And they do like the emergency ramps.
Yep.
Or not the emergency ramps.
The taxi vans with the handicap ramps.
For the vans and stuff to be able to have access to things, and
That's pretty cool.
It's really awesome. And then if you have an idea for them and you want to work with them, just give them a call and tell them that you have an idea and you want to like toss it around with them and see if it's already like out and about, and they'll actually buy it from you or work with you on it, and then you can get commission. Just like
They've had a couple do that already.
yeah, just like the stabilizers that go under the rig, the guy that designed those, they actually work with him, and so he'll get a small commission on all the sales that they do for that product.
Yep.
But you never know until you talk to him.
All right, we are back at Grand Design, and we have our rig back, and the paint actually came out looking really good. So we're pretty excited. Like, it's always kind of nerve-wracking because, you know, the paint on this has been on here for over a year now, and adding brand new fresh paint, the color might be a little bit different, but no, they've done a really good job at matching it. Let me show you exactly what they did. So they basically had to replace this whole red piece right here, and so they would just tape it with the lines and stuff. But yeah, like all of this was rippled, so they got it fixed. They took samples. They're going to give it to the paint supplier and see what they think what it was, because they're thinking that maybe there was like an issue with the paint itself. But yeah, I think it looks good. As you can see, we are back from Grand Design. We're at Bear Cave RV Resort. It's 1,000 Trails. It's in Buchanan, Michigan.
Yep. So we were in Indiana.
Right.
With the kiddos, we left them in Elkhart.
We left them in Indiana. It's 45 minutes away, so it's not that big of a deal. But we have to go back to the hotel and actually get them and the dogs and all of our stuff.
Yeah. So.
But we figure while we didn't have that, we just come set it up and let it get nice and cool before we come back to hang out.
Yeah, because you know when it's getting worked on, it gets put in the bays and stuff, and airs don't get to run and things like that. So we are ready to go.
And we're 1 week from today. We're going to be headed to the fairgrounds to get over there for the rally.
For the national rally.
And then a week from that, or a week and a day from that, we speak. So we got 2 weeks to prepare. Have you started?
No.
I haven't started either.
I've been working.
Yeah. We'll figure it out.
Oh my goodness. All right, so we are set up. Grand Design was able to fix our paint defect, and it looks beautiful.
It does.
It needs a bath.
Very much.
Other than that,
maybe I can rinse it off over here.
Yeah.
At least rinse it.
Other than that, it looks beautiful. And they said the little things that we wanted them to look at that they couldn't look at because they didn't have time, they're going to look at the rally.
Yeah.
Or try to.
They're going to try to. not only did we get to go to Mor-Ryde while we were here before the rally, we got to hang out with our good friends Dale and Angela.
Yes, they came and camped with us.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. Of course, we always love getting to see you guys.
And yeah, and spending time and going to dinner and all those fun things that we get to do.
And taking us to the pier and the pizza, and it was awesome.
It was
so
amazing.
We really appreciate all of that. We are packing up and we're headed to the rally, to the fairgrounds.
Tell them what type of rally, like they might not know.
The Grand Design National Rally,
First video, they don't know what we're doing.
All right, so that was a little
over the top.
a little over the top. Hey, we're excited. So are you excited?
I am excited.
We're going to the fairgrounds. So we're going tonight, and then word on the street is we will get our spot tonight and then be able to...
if not, we can stage and get our spot tomorrow.
Yes.
If we get there.
And we're doing the games for our section, so you guys, I hope you guys have fun. At this point, it's already happened. And then we get to speak. We get to speak on Friday.
That part's not fun.
Yeah, well,
It's a little nerve-wracking.
we'll get there. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
I'm not looking forward to that part.
Yeah. And we have our friends Dale and Angela traveling with us.
Yes,
guys.
They're also one of our members.
Yeah, we always love hanging out with you guys, so thank you so much for the week. And now they get to see themselves on the video.
We've had a great time so far.
Yep. And I think that's it. You ready to roll?
Yeah, we've got about a little over an hour drive.
Yeah, we're not far.
And then we'll let you know how it goes.
Yep.